channel. So for today, I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing slash try on slash first impressions. So if you'd like to see more of that, just keep watching. So if you guys are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, what it is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full-size products for $21. With tax, it comes out to like $23. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start it off. The first thing we got is, and it comes with like this little sheet of paper, and there's always a theme. This theme is Getaway, and this right here is Skin&Co ROMA. It's a Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. So it says, this luxurious cream formula gently and effectively removes all makeup and impurities while hydrating dry and sensitive skin. Formulated with pure black truffle extract and sweet almond oil, this gentle cleanser delivers intense hydration while improving skin resilience and tone. Ooh, so let's try this out. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. So I have a little bowl with water right here. So I'm gonna, wet my face a little bit. All right, let's test this out. I'm gonna take a little bit. It feels like lotion. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. All right, so there's that. It feels really hydrating, and I just can't get over how good that smells. That feels good, feels really good. So next we have these HARU, I think that's how you say it, sheet masks, and it actually came with 3. So that's pretty awesome. So this says, blah, 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 provides your skin with antioxidant and anti-aging effects. Patented technology in this mask encourages your skin to do healthy skin functions like regeneration, anti-inflammation, and targets many skin imperfections. The sheet is made of friendly, 100% pure cotton with non-chlorine bleaching process that allows a delicate touch with enhanced adherence with the skin. So yeah, let's see. Oh, I'm not like the biggest fan of getting skincare stuff, but I do like getting sheet masks. And the fact that this came with 3 is nice. The only thing is, like, I have the hardest time getting them on my face. Oh, this is like really slippery. Okay. Did I rip it? Yeah, it ripped, I think. I did. Yeah, it ripped trying to get it undone, which, whatever, it's fine. These look freaky. All right, so I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I will be right back to finish off the rest of the face. All right, you guys, so I'm back. I took my mask off when I let it I rubbed it in a little bit and let it set in the face and dry off a bit. It's not like my favorite mask that I've ever used, but I mean, it's okay, I guess. I'd have to try it out more and see how the day goes, but I mean, it's okay. So next we got this Touch and Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence. So a couple boxes back, we did actually get this No Poreblem primer, and I love this stuff. This stuff is awesome. So I'm curious to see like what the difference is between the two of them. But this says, let your makeup stay a while with your Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and try some on. It's got a really weird like little looking tip. You can see that, it's really weird. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. Oh, it's like really watery. And rub it on. I don't think it really smells like anything. It's really liquidy. Feels really hydrating on the face. Feels nice. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation and concealer on, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and put some foundation and concealer and powder on. So the next thing that we have in the box is this Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette, and this is like the 3rd edition. This is like the thing I was most excited about. So it comes with 2 blushes, 2 highlights, and 2 bronzers, or whatever contours. This one is a pretty shimmery one. I swatched them on my arm, if you can see. So what this says is, meet your new everyday staple. This 6-shade Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette is formulated with Amazonian clay, delivers streak and fade-free flawless wear. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna try, I kind of want to do the shimmery one. So I'm gonna take this shimmery bronzer. Oh yeah, that's showing up for sure. Then I'm going to take this more defined brush and I'm going to dip into this darker shade over here and see if I can sculpt it a little more. All right, so next I'm gonna go with, I think, this blush. It's not as bright as the other one. These are pretty powdery. Like, I've got powder coming off it and everything, so just be careful. So next I'm gonna take this highlighter. I'm gonna swirl this around really good, and let's see. Yeah, that's pretty. Very pretty. That's really pretty, actually. All right, so since I want to use like everything I can, I'm actually going to grab a crease brush and I'm gonna grab this more shimmery right here. Bronzing, and I'm gonna throw it right in my crease. Alright, so then I'm gonna take this other highlight shade, the one I didn't use, just with my finger, and I'm gonna put that on the lid. All right, you guys. So the last thing we have in the box is this Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. I have it in the shade Peach Tea. So this says, add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky balm. Ooh, I like that. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. So I'm gonna try it just by itself first. Oh my gosh, you guys. This smells like those caramel, like, those little caramel candies, the Werthers, whatever they're called. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Ooh, it isn't sticky. I like it. So I'm going to finish up the rest of my face and then I'll be right back to talk about the rest of everything. Alright, you guys, so I did end up putting on some lipstick. This is ColourPop in the shade Spring Roll. So I just put the lip gloss on over it, and I actually really like it. This gloss is like hands down my new favorite lip gloss. Like, I can go like that and like nothing is sticking, and I put like 2 coats on them. So this, and I think the face palette are my favorite things in this box. I'm gonna have a link below, so if you want to sign up, check it out, you can. I also, in the description box, have everything listed, the prices. The total of this box, the value ended up being $119. So this is one of the priciest boxes that I've actually ended up receiving. And yeah, so this box was awesome, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe and come back. So thank you, bye.